Toyota and General Motors might enter the compact pickup market, but their products will hardly be a match for the Ford Maverick Hybrid. This truck enjoys success and sales already exceeded almost every midsize pickup. With an updated look and dominant performance, the all-new 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid is set to wow everybody. Stay tuned to discover why this truck is an absolute must-have. Impressive gas mileage not too many other vehicles can offer. 42 miles per gallon. Yes, you heard that right. The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid is the single pickup truck achieving over 40 mpg, a record matched only by a handful of small crossovers and compact cars. At nearly 200 inches long, it's also the largest vehicle capable of delivering this remarkable feat. That's exactly what separates it from the rest of the crowd in the truck industry. Its hybrid engine is the perfect configuration for such a pickup, designed to meet the needs of urban drivers. Under the bonnet of this innovative vehicle lies a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder setup paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 191 horsepower and 173 pound-feet of torque. While this might not sound like an earth-shattering performance, it's more than enough for light hauling. Yes, the Maverick Hybrid can do 42 mpg in the city, but on the highway, its electric support is not that helpful. Still, 33 mpg is an impressive output. With its 37 mpg combined rating, the Ford Maverick Hybrid promises over 500 miles of range on a single tank. Add a smooth and responsive driving experience to the overall image thanks to the continuously variable transmission paired to the hybrid setup, which is perfect for stop-and-go traffic cruising. The hybrid model also sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.7 seconds. Towing capacity is at respectable level, although not a priority. Fuel economy isn't the only area where the Maverick Hybrid steps up, as this truck proves that compact models can both be efficient and capable. In the base configuration, its towing capacity isn't much impressive at 2,000 pounds, but this capability isn't bad for hauling small trailers in urban areas. If you need a bit of extra muscle, the optional 4K towing package transforms the 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid into a serious hauler, enhancing the towing capacity to 4,000 pounds. This upgrade brings the hybrid version closer to the capability of larger trucks, making it possible to tow medium-sized boats or larger utility trailers. Maximizing towing potential comes at the cost of reduced fuel efficiency. Hauling 4,000 pounds means you won't be achieving the impressive 37 mpg. Comparing the Maverick Hybrid to its non-hybrid sibling reveals just how versatile the compact truck is. The turbocharged EcoBoost version boasts a slightly higher towing capacity of 4,500 pounds when equipped with the 4K towing package, giving it a small edge for the heaviest of loads. In the compact pickup segment, the Hyundai Santa Cruz is the Maverick's only real competition. The Santa Cruz offers a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds with its turbocharged engine. However, this compact pickup lacks the hybrid efficiency that defines the Maverick. You'll have to give up 13 mpg combined for a towing capacity boost of 1,000 pounds. All-wheel drive is the best upgrade for the 2025 season. The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid brings an exciting new feature to the table, an available all-wheel drive system. This marks a significant milestone for this configuration, which was previously limited to front-wheel drive. By introducing all-wheel drive, Ford has fixed one of the key limitations of the compact pickup, making it even more versatile and appealing to a wider range of buyers. The addition of all-wheel drive enhances the Maverick Hybrid's performance in various driving conditions, particularly in wet, snowy, or icy weather. The system provides added grip and stability, which makes it a welcome improvement for drivers living in regions with challenging weather conditions such as frigid winters or frequent heavy rainfall. All-wheel drive is also useful to those who occasionally venture onto unpaved roads where the extra traction can make a noticeable difference in handling and safety. Nevertheless, despite the all-wheel drive upgrade, the Maverick Hybrid isn't designed to compete with off-road focused trucks. Its powertrain, while efficient, isn't geared toward handling the extreme demands of off-road adventures. The 191 horsepower output is enough for city cruising and light towing, but falls short when compared to the non-hybrid Maverick, equipped with a turbocharged EcoBoost engine. Special adventure-ready packages like the Tremor and all-new Lobo are still reserved for the non-hybrid powertrain, as they require more muscle to meet the challenges of serious off-roading. While its all-wheel drive system enhances balance and traction, the hybrid system brings the best performance when navigating inclement weather, suburban environments, and light off-pavement exploration. The setup isn't designed for climbing rocky trails or fording deep streams. No hybrid is, even those with much more power under the hood. Still, the introduction of all-wheel drive cements the status of the 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid as a well-rounded compact pickup. The company's decision to include this option highlights the commitment to evolving and meeting the demands of the wider fan base while maintaining its core strengths. Practicality that some larger trucks would love to offer. By combining the utility of a pickup truck with the efficiency and convenience of a hybrid system, the pickup has quickly risen as one of the most practical vehicles in today's market, despite the lack of muscle. Ford's ability to think outside the box has made a statement once again. Rivals will not only struggle to catch up, but even their mid-size pickups are now facing serious competition. To meet the demands of both urban drivers and outskirt explorers with the limited size of the compact truck, designers had to use every inch of the interior around the box. It can be called a phrase, but the Maverick is something closest to the perfect balance between compact dimensions and interior space. Its shorter body makes navigating tight city streets and parking spaces a breeze compared to other midsize and half-ton trucks. The spacious cabin seats up to 5 passengers like some SUVs, and you can stash tools and other stuff under the rear seats where clever storage can be found. Ford's flex bed system adds another layer of practicality. The bed can be customized for different needs thanks to integrated slots for dividers, tie-downs, and accessory mounts. What trim levels are available? The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid continues to wow everybody with a blend of its trim levels designed for modern needs. Game starts with the XL model, which despite its attractive price tag, comes packed with impressive value. For 2025, the offer is even richer with a larger 13.2-inch multimedia display that replaced an old 8-inch screen. The infotainment system now also features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Regarding the styling, the new Maverick Hybrid also comes with darkened headlamp covers, an updated front fascia, and a few extra wheel design choices. The XLT, as a mid-range offer, offers an affordable price for an extra layer of features. This trim upgrades the interior with premium cloth upholstery and a power-adjustable driver's seat. 17-inch alloy wheels are standard, as well as additional driver assistance tech. For the Maverick XLT Hybrid, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high-beam headlamps are standard. The Lariat takes the truck to an upscale level, featuring synthetic leather upholstery, dual-zone automatic climate control, chrome accents, and additional sound isolation. For the all-new 2025 Maverick Hybrid, the top-of-the-range version also adds a smoked truffle theme with bronze-colored accents. Another cool option, although optional, is a 360-degree camera which will aid in hitching up a trailer. The Lariat model also comes with an advanced adaptive cruise control suite in 2025. Lane centering and speed limit sign recognition are added to the package. Eye-catching colors that make a statement. A wide palette of exterior colors is another layer that enhances the personalization options. Doesn't sound so important, but the game is really valued by buyers who want to express their style. And the 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid delivers it with classic shades, bold paints, and vibrant hues. Starting off with classics are Shadow Black and Oxford White, clean and simple options that are easy to maintain. If you're after something with a bit more edge, carbonized gray metallic offers a modern appearance with some old-school vibe. Nature-inspired shades are also part of the lineup. Desert Sand gives the truck an earthy tone, while Eruption Green adds a vibrant splash of color. The Space White Metallic offers a futuristic touch, and Velocity Blue is an energetic, sporty flair. For buyers who choose the XLT or Lariat trims, the premium color Azure Gray Metallic Tri-Coat is a $495 upgrade, while the Ruby Red Metallic Tinted Clear Coat costs $390. The interior is also customizable with 2 available themes. Black Onyx is standard, and the 2025 Maverick brings Smoked Truffle as a cabin option to buyers of the XLT mode and is standard on the Lariat. One of the most affordable entry prices in the truck market. This highly efficient system must rely on advanced cutting-edge technology that surely comes at a hefty cost, right? Wrong! The 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid costs just $26,395 in the XL trim, making it one of the most budget-friendly pickups on the market. In the past, the XLT grade was a favorite package, adding an extra layer of convenience for small additional investment. In 2025, this trim will cost from $28,895. The Maverick Lariat tops the lineup but at a premium price. It costs $37,135 but also comes standard with all-wheel drive, a $2,220 option on the XL and XLT models. If you're looking to maximize the hauling potential of the hybrid system, the optional 4K towing package costs $745. Thanks for watching and see you next time.